Sa ngayon, ang una natin ginagawa, relief muna. Lahat ng nasa evacuation center natin, tinutulungan natin. Nandito naman ang national government with the local government para lahat ng tulong na kailangan, yun ang una, alam namin. Pangalawa, maipaabot natin. Kasi ang local government ang nagdadala talaga hanggang sa mga bahay-bahay.
We gather today within the historic walls of Intramuros, a place that has witnessed our nation's encounters with the world. It is therefore deeply fitting that we launch here today the Philippine Chairship of ASEAN 2026.
We are grateful for the usual rapid response, kasi po first responder talagang LGU, for the rapid response that you have and all the support that you have given the different agencies.